Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing Project 7000 on the Dell Inspiron 5566. This was a viewer request. I already did a video on Project 7000, but that was just installing it in a virtual machine. But I'm installing it on real hardware because this is a viewer request. So I don't know if this is going to work or not because yeah. Let's go into Task Manager here. And let me show you the specs that we have in this computer. So this computer, and let me show you the main reason why I don't think it's gonna work. It has an Intel Core i3-7100U CPU. Now this is the oldest computer in my house with an Intel Core This is not the oldest computer. This is not the oldest computer in my house. This is the oldest Windows computer in my house. The oldest computer in my house is a MacBook, which has a 4th gen Intel Core i7. But we're going to be using this. We're going to be seeing if we run into any problems, and if we do, then maybe I'll try the MacBook. So yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to get the graphics driver, so we're going to be stuck at the main graphics driver. But before we do anything, I kind of want to copy some stuff over because I do have some backed up files. So we're going to plug this USB into the USB port, which I don't know if I'm doing this properly. There we go. Now we can go into File Explorer. We can go into this PC, WinTest, and as you can see, there's only the Windows 7 install ISO that we used. But what we want to do is we want to copy over some other files. You know, we want to copy over Chrome Setup. So Chrome Setup. Try again. Alt Tab. Okay, Chrome Setup is there. We also need OBS Studio Setup. And we need, what else do we need? We need VMware setup too, yeah, we need VMware, so we can get VMware. Oh wait, we should get VMware Tools 10 too. Yeah, that seems like something that we should do. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if we should have just copied the whole downloads folder, to be honest. Alright, we're gonna close out of that. It's doing this, and I'll be back once this is done. So yeah, actually never mind, it's stuck at 99%. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, okay, it's done. So now we can unplug the flash drive, and now what we're gonna do is throw that flash drive over there, this flash drive which has Project 7000, and I'll prove it by actually let's plug it into the left USB port because I don't know, I have a good feeling about the left USB port. This is our new best friend, the left USB port. If I can plug it into there, I don't think it wants to be our friend, guys. I seriously don't think so. Oh, I'm plugging it into the SD card slot, that's why. I'll be right back after I plug a flash drive in. Alright, it's plugged in. We got the message. Windows 7. It's Project 7000, but whatever. We're gonna go into the disk. As you can see, it has the old Windows logo. There we go. That's really nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to shut down the computer. Shut down. And you might be asking why, because we're running Windows 10 and we can't go to Windows 7 Project 7000 from Windows 10. So now what we gotta do is we gotta turn it on and press F12. And let's hope that we don't need UEFI for this, because I have a feeling I made the boot device wrong. USB storage device. Yup, I knew it. Alright, so I remade it for MBR. Let's try booting now. F12, I'm pressing F12. Oh my god, hurry. Please. USB storage device. Yes. Please just work. Oh yeah, press any key. Windows setup. Okay, Windows is loading files. Let's hope that it actually works. Please. Starting Windows. Okay. The boot screen is playing. Okay. Oh, we got the Project 7000 screen. There. Okay, we're in the pre-installation environment. Let's click next. Oh my, we can't click next. No. Install now. Install. Setup is starting. Okay. Okay, setup is starting. No. It doesn't detect our SATA drive. Come on. We came this far. No. Why? I don't know why did this happen? Intel. Why? No. This isn't good at all. So that didn't work. And I really don't feel like getting the MacBook out right now. Plan B. I'm 99.9% sure it's not going to work on this. Because if it didn't work on there, then why would it work on this? But hey, we won't know until we try. Let me just plug this in real quick. Alright, I plugged it in. Let's open the laptop up. There we go. Alright, let's press F12. F12, yeah, F12. F12. No, it did not boot at all. That's beautiful. Shut down. Shut down anyway. Nice. It didn't even go to the boot screen. F12. Alright, we're gonna boot off of. Alright, Ubuntu. Wow, we have Ubuntu, which doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't really work. Okay, we're gonna press F2. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the legacy mode. Boot mode, legacy. Thankfully, it will let us go into legacy. So we're going to. Why is there two Ubuntus? Why is there nothing showing up for legacy? I'm so confused. Did it not detect or something? Come on, it should detect. Like, come on. Our boot device isn't listed. Hello. Nothing listed in the boot device. Maybe it's just the BIOS on Fortnite Gummy Bears. Maybe. Anyways, let's exit, saving changes, and spam F12 again. Okay, Windows is loading files. That's a good sign. Starting Windows. Okay. And a blue screen. Yeah. That was expected. So now I have a computer that just blue screened at me. And yeah, this isn't good. So clearly something is wrong. Yeah, I don't know what to do at this point. So I'm going to go and set this back into UEFI mode. So we got spam F2 for that. And then we're going to make this UEFI and hopefully boot back into Windows 10. Please. Maybe. Hopefully. Okay, good. Yeah, we're booting back into Windows 10. Great. Okay, so this failed. Alright, I guess we're gonna try this again like tomorrow or something. Oh my god. Yeah, there. We're gonna try this again tomorrow with a MacBook. And how am I gonna do this? Boot camp. I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.